Hello folks, I'm JD with Durham Power Wash. I just want to go over some of the equipment that we use on a day-to-day basis and the service that we provide. We have a heavy duty, super duty 250, F250 truck. It allows us to pull water to any location. We are equipped with ladders. If you walk with me this way, we're fully equipped. We have 28-inch surface cleaners, 20-inch surface cleaner. We can do window cleaning, driveway cleaning. You walk this way with me. We have all kind of chemicals for anything like red clay removal, oxidation removal. On a day-to-day basis, we use sodium hypochlorite. That's a main ingredient for house washing. We're fully equipped. If you walk around here, we do what most technicians do or companies do. We use a sodium hypochlorite and we have a downstream that pulls chemical along with water and soap, and that's how we get the soap onto the house. So over here, if you take a look, we have a 5.5 gallon pressure washer, mostly for doing homes. And then over there, we have our Beast, which is a 8 gallon pressure washer. Allows us to kind of do driveways, large parking lots in a much more effective way. If you need this service, give me a call. I'm JD with DurhamPowerWash.com. Thank you for viewing.